A new bicycle!
Happy surprise, Leo.
Is it really for me?
Yes, sweetheart, it is yours.
My new bicycle looks amazing! I can't wait to learn how to ride it.
You will do great, Leo. Let's have fun together.
I am holding the bike. Just keep pedaling.
Okay, Dad. I will try. Oops, I stopped too soon.
That's okay, Leo.
I need more practice.
You are learning very well.
I can't do this. Riding a bike is too hard. No, Leo. Everyone falls when they learn.
Here is some water. Learning takes time.
Really?
Yes, just keep trying.
Let's try again.
Okay. I won't quit.
Good job. Good job. Keep going.
Look, I am riding nicely. Great job, Leo. I feel more confident now.
You are learning very well.
Oh no, I fell again.
That's okay. That's okay. Mistakes help us learn.
I will try one more time. I can do this.
We believe in you.
Be brave, little brother. Yeah! I'm doing it! I'm riding by myself.
Fantastic!
You did it, Leo!
We are very proud of you.
You never gave up.
Today I learned something. What did you learn? If I keep trying, I can do hard things.
Never give up. Practice makes you stronger.